students, I am Gatika Makkar, PGT Biology faculty at St. Edmund School, Jawaharnagar, Jaipur. So my today's class is all about term 2 important topics which are coming in board examination, the topics which are coming in practical examination and the topics which are coming in theory examination. Firstly, we go for the theory examination. In theory, the biology examination will be of 35 marks and it includes 6 chapters for term 2 examination. These six chapters are chapter 8, that is human health and disease, chapter 10, that is microbes in human welfare, chapter 11, that is biotechnology and principle, chapter 12, that is biotechnology and application, chapter 5, that is organism and population, and chapter 15, that is biodiversity and conservation. These are the all 6 chapters which are coming in term 2 biology examination. Chapter 8 and chapter 10 are of 14 marks, chapter 11 and chapter 12 are of 11 marks, chapter 13 and chapter 15 are of 10 marks. So in total the paper would be of 35 marks. And this 35 marks paper will include the important lines which are given there in your NCERT, the highlighted words, the black mark words which are given in your NCERT, the summary which is given in your NCERT, the back questions which are given in your NCERT, and very important, the diagrams which are given in your NCERT. So each and everything which is given in your NCERT, either it is the diagrams or it is the lines of NCERT or the important words, keywords of NCERT, all of them are very important. All the 6 chapters which are coming in examination are complete on the full basis. Only biotechnology and principle chapter, in this chapter only one content is coming, that is recombinant DNA technology. This topic include all the points which are given in your chapter. What is polymerase chain reaction, PCR, and what is downstreaming process, how to isolate DNA. In microbes and in human welfare, we have to study all the different microbes, their products and their uses either for humans or for other commercial purposes. In the first 2 chapters, that is human health and disease, in human health and disease we will study different microbes, their mode of transmission, their symptoms, how they spread the disease, what are the symptoms of the disease, what are the causative organisms of the disease. And in the last 2 chapters, that is of about ecology, organism and population and biodiversity. In organism and population we will study about the important topics are in organism and population. The important topics are like population interactions, abiotic and biotic factors, environmental adaptation. In biodiversity, the important topics are what do you mean by biodiversity, how we conserve biodiversity, and how the biodiversity is getting degraded day by day. And one more chapter left, that is biotechnology and its application. In this chapter we will learn about 3 important things, that is biotechnology application in agriculture, biotechnology application in medicine, and what are transgenic organisms and what are modified organisms. So these 3 topics are important in the above given chapters. Now we come up to the second part of your board examination. The second part will be your practical examination, that would be of 15 marks. This practical examination will consist of 3 major exercises. The first exercise is the major exercise which would be of 4 marks. That will be the mitosis process study in onion root tips. The second exercise is the minor experiment, that would be of 3 marks. It includes 2 experiments, one which is linked with the soil and another which will be linked with water experiment. And the third exercise is spotting, that would be of 3 marks. Spotting will include 3 different spots. The one will be coming from disease causing organism, the other will be coming from the plants which are living in xeric environment, and the third one will be come from the plants or the animals which are living in aquatic environment. The next coming in practical examination is Viva. The Viva will be of 3 marks And the second thing is practical record and your investigative project, that will be of 2 marks. Now we come up to the investigative project. The investigative project could be the any topic from class 12 standard NCERT or any topic of your interest which is linked to the bio. That investigative project you have to make it, and that investigative project should include all the important things related to that topic. Okay, and the complete practical examination will be of 15 marks. Theory examination will be of 35 marks and the practical examination will be of 15 marks. So in total the examination will be of 50 marks. Okay, thank you. This will be important. This will be useful for all of you. Thank you so much. All the best.